Hey guys, Octavio here, and on today's video, I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of all of the Uras products that we stock here in the US. So on the TKGT website, you can find Uras products by either clicking on the Uras logo by the popular brand section or by going up to shop by brand and then clicking on Uras. As you guys can see, we do have a few pieces for the R34, including this Type R kit, and as well as the front bumper, the bonnet lip. We also have these two flags. I believe they're both the same, just one of them is autographed. Yeah, they're both the same flag. We also have a few items available for pre-order, but we wanted to try and see what the demand was and where you guys are at on, do you guys like the Type R stuff? Do you guys want R34 stuff? Do you guys want S chassis stuff? And if you guys are looking for a reference point to see what's available from Uras, you can go directly to their website, and we should be able to source anything on here. We'll update you guys with pricing and shipping and all that good stuff. Just let us know what you guys think we should carry, what you guys are interested in. They've got a bunch of different aero parts for a bunch of different models. Nissans, Toyotas, Mazdas, you name it, they probably have it. Really cool stuff. If you guys want a different view for some of the stuff that we already offer from Uras, you guys can head over to our Japan side website, Trust KIKAKU. And if you go to the search by brand, you can also find Uras here. Click on it and it'll bring you to all the stuff that we currently have available from them directly. So as you guys can see on this website, there's some S chassis stuff, there's some Toyota stuff, some JZX 100 stuff, and the list is kind of ongoing. And it's all super high quality stuff, and the pricing is really competitive, like compared to a bunch of other fiberglass kits. There's also a few other miscellaneous items, like these really cool headlight covers for the R34. But overall, the body stuff just keeps going, and you can go to like multiple different pages. There's also these really cool like shift boot covers. But yeah, tons of stuff for a bunch of different models. So if you guys search on there, you guys have a JDM car or the US version of a JDM car, you'll probably find a kit for it. These kits are super high quality, and honestly at the price, like, you kind of can't beat it. So yeah, if you guys want to pre-order a kit or anything from Uras, any bodywork, go ahead and shoot us an email or shoot our Japan side an email. We'll get you started. And once it arrives here in the US, we'll pack everything up and ship it out to you via freight. And so in the next part of the video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how we pack everything up, because I know it can be kind of scary to get fiberglass shipped, especially with some of these freight carriers. A lot of people like to toss stuff around and stuff breaks and stuff gets damaged. So we do everything in our power to make sure that we send out things as safely and as efficiently as possible. So this is what the boxes look like when we get them, and those are the pallets that we use to ship everything out on. So the first thing we do is open it up, take everything out, inspect all the parts, make sure everything arrived to us safely, and then after we do that, we take the parts out and wrap them each individually. We take all of the pieces out of the box, lay them on these large sheets of bubble wrap, individually wrap each and every piece so that we make sure that everything is safe, and this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. After that, we put a protective layer of bubble wrap inside the box and slowly start dropping everything in. Once everything is dropped in, we fill the void with paper to make sure that nothing moves around and nothing gets compressed or cracks while it's in motion. Once we make sure the box is filled, we go ahead and close it, seal everything up, and this is where we start attaching everything to the pallet. We attach the boxes to the pallet using these really strong nylon straps, and we also run these straps through these non-stack cones, and that helps prevent companies from stacking more freight items on top of these, because what we found in the past is that even though we select non-stackable when scheduling the pickups, the companies would still stack the items because at the end of the day, they're trying to make more money. So this is kind of a preventative measure to stop them from damaging the items as much as we can. So this is what it looks like when we hand off the pallet to the freight company. It's wrapped in fragile tape, wrapped in shrink wrap, making sure that everything is as sturdy and as stable as possible. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again next week. Bye.